Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting our work using UiPath. So today we are going to discuss about string manipulation, which is our data manipulation. So what mean by data manipulation? So data manipulation is a process of modifying a particular string or like structuring. So we are going to do some manipulation and calculations over the particular strings. So these are the test strings which we are going to use in our today's session, and these are the methods what we are going to walk through on today's session. So which is split, replace, substring, and trim, and concat. So here like split plays the vital role. So it has a multiple functions and operations. So in the split function, so we have to be very cautious and we have to clearly understand. So what is the functionality of split? So with the help of split, we can do the like multiples of operations. So it will be helpful for you to know these kind of operations in your organization when you are going to do a string manipulation or like trimming or like replacing some strings. So without wasting time, let's quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio. So already I have created the process which is named as string manipulation. So just go to the project, just double click on the main, go to the activity panel, drag a sequence, and then just rename it as string manipulation. Yep, done. So and then just drag a one more sequence and drop over here and just name it as split. So this is a good practice actually. So let me input our text variables over here. Okay, just drag your text variable over here and do the same thing. So this will like eliminate our manual efforts. That's why I just made already for us, so that it will not get late for us. Yep, then so let me insert the values. Okay, uh, over here, let me copy paste the value. So double quotes, so which is string. That's why I just putting those in a double quotes. Okay, so and then so going to give the introduction. So we have done with the all our three variables. So let's start our operation. So drag a assign activity. So let's name it as control K and str split. Okay. So str split. Hit an enter. Okay. So we are going to do our operation over here. So you can just click here and click on open advanced editor, or then you can click on the value, the three dots. So we can start our operation. So in which text we are going to make our operation? In the text temp string one. Okay, so what we are going to do? So just copy and paste. So before that, just give the function split. So what are you going to do? Split over here, right? So in which string? So this is the format. Actually, you can see split of expression as a string and then delimiter. So what are the delimiter you are going to split? Okay. So you have to call the function which is named as split, and then in which particular string you are going to perform the operation. Just give an str and then make a control. So your the intelligence will be opened here. Just make a split, and then so what you are going to do with this comma and then delimiter. So what are the delimiter you're going to use? So here you can see there is no delimiter, so you can give the space as a delimiter. Okay, so double quotes and then space. So what actually this particular like operation will do? So it will split each and everything into an array. Okay, so this will be a 0 and this will be 1 and this will be 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if you need to call only the welcome, okay, so if you need to call only the welcome, so what will be do? So str split, sorry, str split, and then so we can just call the variable str. One second, let me copy and paste this as well. So anything you can do here, copy and paste over. Okay, this is our first test variable we are going to use, and then comma, so delimiter, and then so in which position we need 0, right? So 0 in the sense, so it will take only the 0 position, the 0 position. So just click on OK. So drag a right line. Okay, str. Okay, just save and debug. So actually what this operation is doing, so it is splitting your whole string. Welcome back to our UiPath channel. So it is keep on splitting into small strings into an array actually. So it will be named as, which is told as 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can see in the output as welcome, right? So because like we have given a 0. So if you are giving 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are giving a 4, then you'll be getting the UiPath. Okay. So let me quickly do this as well. See, you can see the output as a UiPath. So that's what it says. Split is the operation which help you to split your string based upon your delimiters or special characters or an integer, so anything at all. Okay. So as of now, I just splitted using the space. So space is a one kind of a delimiter. Okay. So with the help of space, I have splitted. And then I'll be calling which particular array I need, 0 or 1 or 2, 3. So as of now, this example I have the 5. Okay, till 5. So I just called the fourth one. So likewise, you can split your particular string. So this variable contain your entire string, so which is shown here, and then we can make the operation over there. Okay. So this all about the split. Okay, just make a control D. Okay, so we can drag another sequence. So what operation we are going to perform here is replace, right? So then make it as a replace, then drag and assign. So you can create a different variable which is str replace. Okay, so this will be best practice, so that you no need to reuse and you can understand so clearly that what actually you are doing. Okay, so str replace. So what you are going to do in str replace, first of all, 1 second, let me change the scope of this particular three variables. Okay, str, so that I can use throughout the whole string manipulation sequence. Okay, that's what I was doing. I just change the scope of these three variables into string manipulation sequence. Let me comment out this one. Okay, so I have just created str replace, and then so I'm just going to do my manipulation here. So what actually I can, which is, so what is the variable you're going to perform here? Test.temp. So you can try to get here also. Okay, so you can copy and do anything. So as you need it. So this particular string, what we are going to do, replace, right? So replace, and then what we are going to replace. So what is the old value and what is the new value. So in this way also we can give. So we can try to give the name of Vignesh. Okay. Just copy this one. Just try to paste over here. In this instead of Vignesh, so let me give it as Ganesh. Okay. So what this will do, so this will particularly replace. So what I have given, so in which string I was going to replace. Okay, which string? So which is test.temp.string2 dot replace. In this particular, so I'm going to replace with this particular two names. So let me drag a sequence and make it print as this one. Save and debug. So you can see the output here. So it has been replaced now. So And then so what is the next function? So which is substring, right? So what we will be doing? Substring. So just make arrow and then control D. Okay. Then drag a sequence. Name it as substring. Okay. So drag and assign activity. Same thing. So which are doing like same thing. Str dot substring, right? So what actually substring will do? Any particular like string or like particular phrase or particular word from this entire string, so we can use the substring. So if you need to capture only this particular back or like a particular UI path, so if this particular words can be captured using substring as well, you can use a split and then you can make it as an array and you can call it as 0 1 2 3, or you can directly use it as a substring. Okay, so either way you can be used. So let me quickly jump back to studio. So we can give the substring. So for this, so like which example I was going to take here is, so text dot one. So let me take this and then substring. So call the function which is substring and then particular length. So which is the starting index and which is the ending index which we needed. Okay, so let's come take only this one, welcome. Okay, so 0 2 0 1 2 3, like, and take it back also. Let me take it as 0 to 12. Okay, 0 to 12. So what actually it will do? So in this particular text dot temp dot string one, in this variable, so it will make a substring operation of 0 to 12. So which means what should be the output? Welcome back. Okay, so let me quickly save this. Okay, before that just drag a right line. Okay, and then only you can see what are the output over there. Substring. Okay, so save this and then click on run. Okay, okay, so you got this particular string which is called as welcome back, right? So you're done with that. So let me quickly jump back to the next one. So what is the next one? So trim. So what actually trim will do? Trim will eliminate the spaces. So which may be like L trim or right trim. L means like left trim and R means right trim. So trim basically used to trim your space. Let me comment out this. So let me drag a sequence and make it as trim, and then drag and assign activity, and then you can take this particular string 3 as now test variable. So you can make it as control K str trim, and then just go here, just click on these three dots and then you can do anything. So here just make your variable dot trim. So this dot trim will eliminate the space which is in the third variable. Okay, trim. That's it. So drag a right line, make it as str trim, save, and then run. So what the output should be? So this in this particular space should be eliminated over here. Okay, so because I have given trim, not a L trim or right trim. Okay, just run. Just go to the output panel. Okay, so it's not happening. So what actually happened? So let me jump back to here. Okay, so okay, so what actually trims will do? So it will eliminate the spaces which is in the start and the last. Okay, so which we have given a like wrong example actually. So let me take this one. Okay, so along with the space. So this should be a good example. Let me go here to the variable panel and just make it a space over here. Okay, so So sorry, my bad actually. So just go here and just remove this space. Okay, so now it should work. So you can use either way. So trim dot string, or else you can use then so variable dot trim. So in either way you can use it, and then just click OK and save, and then run. So I guess it is an executor. Let go here and check. So here you can see there is no space, right? So no space. So to make a comparison, let me do one more thing. Let me copy this and let me paste here, and then we can print the test variable now. So what actually we are doing? Test 3, right? So this will give a clear view for you. So this will have space, and once the operation has been done, so we are not able to see any space over here. So this is the thing which just trying to convey. Just go to the output, just first click on first integration. You can see a space here, right? And so here you cannot able to see any space, right? So this is the thing actually. So once you are using a trim, so you can eliminate the right like a space which is in right side or left side, so both the sides. So the trim function will eliminate the right and left, the start node and left right node. So both the spaces will be eliminated with the trim function. If you are using LTrim, so if you have a space in the first, then it will be eliminated using the LTrim. So if you are using RTrim, so you can eliminate the space which is in right side. Okay, so this is the future of the trim. So let me make it as comment out, drag a sequence, so make it as concat, copy this, let's rename this one as concat, go here, just drag a sequence, make it as a variable, control K, str, concat, enter. Okay, just go here, click here, and then so what you're going to do, concatenation, right? So str dot concat, so is the function. Okay, so what you are going to concat, so two variables, right? So you are going to concat the two variables. So let me quickly do that. So in this way you can concat, or like you can make a plus operator also. So you can just simply make this particular variable one, and then the plus of this particular variable, test variable 2. So what are you going to do? So welcome back to UiPath channel by Vignesh. So this is the thing I was trying to do here. Okay, so you can do in this way. Otherwise, you can just invoke the function which I shown you previously, string.concat. In this way also you can do. So what you are going to do here, you're just going to paste your variable. That's it. The same things. Okay. So one, so comma, and then 2. Yeah, simple. So you can use str string dot plus test term string 2. So in both the ways it will work. So you can use go with any of the ways. Okay, so click me OK. So you can see here str concat text of string 1. So let me save this and make a control line str concat. Okay, let me save and debug. You can see like both the strings concat concated. Okay, so I guess so we have gone through each and every activities and methods which are shown here in string manipulation. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy learning. Stay tuned for next video on this string manipulation and like upcoming interesting videos in the advanced and the basic levels. Thank you.